So you might be trying to figure out how to go ahead and basically use Find My on someone else's iPhone. Now, this is actually a pretty basic process. So let's say you lost your AirPods or you lost an iPhone on a different device and you're trying to go and find it on someone else's iPhone. The first thing you want to do is you want to make your way over into your particular, iPhone Safari browser, internet browser, whatever you have. And what I'd recommend doing is going through and basically opening up a private browser. So go inside of the other person's internet browser and go ahead and click on private. And then what you want to do is you want to look up Find My just on Google. So type in Find My just like this, and you'll be able to go ahead and find this link, which is just the iCloud Plus Find My link. Now when you come here, it's going to tell you all the stuff open, whatever. Now, if you click on iCloud.com, find your stuff on iCloud.com, you can also just make your way over to iCloud.com too, but this is just an easier way to get it. What I'd recommend doing here is to just sign in to Find My. Now, it may prompt the other person's account to basically log in, but you can also just go through and just log in with your other account. So you can come right here and you will have to type in either your email or phone number and basically type in the passcode associated with it. Now, a big thing to keep in mind here, it may actually go through and require two-factor authentication. If it requires that, if you have a Mac product, an iPad, a different iPhone or iPod or whatever on your Apple ID, you can use that to go ahead, or a cellular Apple Watch, you can use that to finish off that two-factor authentication. If you don't have those things, then you can either use your phone number if you have your phone number associated with it. But if you don't have that either, then it's going to be kind of a hard way. This method is not going to work using Find My. So type in your particular account right here, and you will see as soon as you log in, you'll basically be able to see all the devices you have right here inside of Find My. So even though you have a different type of iPhone set up, you'll basically be able to see all these devices set up right here, and you can find them just by prompting Find My. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.